How to send Robux to your friends. You can do this basically on PC or mobile. It's pretty much the same. So first you want to open up your browser and navigate to roblox.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you want to click on the Create tab and then click on Creations and make sure your experience is public. Then you want to click on it and then scroll down to monetizations and click on passes. And in here you want to make sure to create a pass and make it available or for sale. So you want to click on create pass, and this is basically, you can call it transfer pass or whatever you want. It doesn't matter. You can also give it a description and click on create pass. Now you want to go to this pass, click on the pass to edit it, and then click on sales and enable item for sale and set a price for it. So maybe 1,000 Robux or whatever amount you're trying to transfer. And then you can also enable regional prices if you want to, and then click on save. Now once done, you want to go back to the Roblox website and basically go to your profile. So you want to click on your profile tab here and scroll down and click on creations. So if you refresh the page, you should see the creations tab. Click on it and then click on your experience right here. And then you want to click on the store tab and basically pick the pass that you've created earlier. So for example, this one right here. Now what you'll need to do is copy this address from the URL right here. Copy the entire address and basically send it to your friend. So when your friend enters this link, he should be able to buy this pass. So for example, he pays 1,000 by buying the pass, and basically you receive only 70% of that, which is about 700 Robux. Of course, it's adjusted by regional prices if you have them enabled. Otherwise, you should receive exactly 700. So once your friend pays the 1,000, you should go back to your account and click on Robux and My Transactions. And in here, you should see any pending Robux incoming or basically going to your friends. So that's how to make your friend transfer to you Robux. Otherwise, he can do the same and give you the link to send to him instead of receiving from him. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.